Okay, so this is the driveway here. This is before. There's a spot here. Don't know what that is because it just scuffed up a little bit. Get over here, and I got a cracks in here. Got to take care of. Got some pavers over here. Got a rust stain right in here, and then another rust stain over here, and then some more blemishes. But all in all, it's pretty good for a beginning. Got some oil stains over here. And then I come up to here. And then I got all this stuff here to get rid of. So let's get started. I've already given it a quick blow dry with the blower. Get all the goo off.